The military industry is constantly evolving, with engineers always ready to build larger and more powerful vehicles to support soldiers on the front lines. But what are the largest military vehicles in the world? How far have military engineers pushed the limits? Today, we'll find out together, showcasing 10 of the largest military vehicles in the world. From colossal tanks to immense trucks, these machines are built to tackle even the toughest terrains. But before we start our journey, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss a video. And now, let's dive in. Number 1. Stryker. The Stryker is a versatile family of 8-wheeled armored fighting vehicles used by the United States Army. Developed from the Canadian LAV-3 and the Swiss MOAG Piranha, Stryker vehicles are produced by General Dynamics Land Systems Canada. These vehicles can switch between 4-wheel drive and all-wheel drive, making them adaptable to various terrains. The Stryker was designed to form the backbone of a new medium-weight brigade combat team, striking a balance between heavy armored brigade combat teams and lighter infantry brigade combat teams. This initiative aimed to enhance the Army's mobility and flexibility on the battlefield. In 2000, the U.S. Army selected the LAV-3, proposed by General Dynamics and General Motors Defense, for their interim armored vehicle competition, naming the resulting family of vehicles the Stryker. The Stryker family includes different variants to perform a variety of combat and support roles, ensuring that the units equipped with them are well prepared for diverse military operations. Number 2. Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey. The V-22 Osprey is a unique American tiltrotor aircraft capable of both vertical takeoff and landing and short takeoff and landing. This design merges the vertical lift capability of a helicopter with the speed and range of a turboprop airplane, making it a versatile asset for various military missions. The V-22 Osprey, operated by the United States and Japan, represents a new class of aircraft that entered service in the 2000s, following its first flight in 1989 and extended development until 2007. The need for the V-22 emerged after the failure of Operation Eagle Claw in 1980 during the Iran hostage crisis, highlighting the limitations of conventional helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft. In response, the Department of Defense launched the Joint Service Vertical Takeoff/Landing Experimental Program in 1981. By 1983, Bell Helicopter and Boeing Helicopters had secured a contract to develop the V-22. The design aims to provide long-range, high-speed transport with the flexibility of vertical takeoff, addressing the operational gaps revealed by past military missions. Number 3. Marauder. The Marauder is an armored, mine-protected vehicle produced by Paramount Group in South Africa. Introduced at the 2007 International Defense Exhibition Main Abu Dhabi, the Marauder is designed for reconnaissance and peacekeeping missions, carrying up to 10 people, including the driver and commander. Built to operate in urban and confined areas, the Marauder is smaller and lighter than similar vehicles like the Matador. It comes in 4x4 or 6x6 configurations and boasts a cruising speed of 62 to 75 miles per hour with a maximum range of 430 miles. The vehicle's double monocoque hull offers protection against projectiles up to STANAG 4569 Level 3, ensuring high safety for its crew. Number 4. Caspian Sea Monster. The KM, colloquially known as the Caspian Sea Monster, was an experimental ground effect vehicle developed by the Soviet Union's Central Hydrofoil Design Bureau in the 1960s. Operational from 1966, it was tested by the Soviet Navy until it crashed in the Caspian Sea in 1980. The KM was the world's largest and heaviest aircraft from 1966 to 1988, making it a significant Cold War espionage subject for the United States. Developed between 1964 and 1966, the KM utilized ground effect to fly just above water surfaces. Designed by Rostislav Alexeyev and lead engineer V. Efimov, it was built at the Red Sormovo plant in Gorky. The vehicle featured a wingspan of 123 feet, a length of 302 feet, and a maximum takeoff weight of 1.2 million pounds. It was designed to fly at altitudes of 16 to 33 feet, leveraging ground effect for lift. The KM was one of the earliest major Ekranoplan projects and was notable for its size and payload capacity, which contributed to its nickname, the Caspian Sea Monster. Number 5. BVS-10 Viking. The BVS-10 Viking, also known as Bandvognsskidad-10 or BV-410, is a tracked, articulated, amphibious all-terrain armored vehicle produced by BAE Systems Land Systems Hägglunds of Sweden. Developed in collaboration with the British Ministry of Defence for the Royal Marines, this vehicle is referred to as the All-Terrain Vehicle or Viking by UK forces. The BVS-10 is an evolution of Hägglunds' earlier Bandvogn 206, but is significantly larger and more advanced. It features a twin-cab, articulated frame steering system typical of Hägglunds' all-terrain vehicles. Notable improvements include a more powerful Cummins 5.9-liter diesel engine, better ground clearance, and a newly developed chassis, powertrain, and steering units. These enhancements increase its speed to 40 miles per hour from the previous 32 miles per hour, improve on-road and off-road comfort, and boost load carrying capability to 11,000 pounds. Additionally, the BVS-10 can be equipped with various modular subsystems, such as add-on armor, weapon mounts, load changers, and cargo platforms, making it a versatile vehicle for a wide range of military operations. Number 6. Buffalo MPV. The Buffalo is a wheeled, mine-resistant, ambush-protected armored military vehicle developed by Force Protection Incorporated, now a part of General Dynamics. It is the largest vehicle in Force Protection's lineup, which also includes the Cougar MRAP and the Ocelot Light Protected Patrol Vehicle. Notably, the Buffalo gained pop culture recognition by appearing as the Decepticon Bone Crusher in the 2007 movie Transformers and its sequel, Transformers: Revenge of the Fallen. According to production designer Jeff Mann, they had to modify the vehicle's appearance for the film. The real Buffalo has a mine-sweeping arm with a fork that is only 14 inches wide, but they needed to create an appliance that extended the width to about 10 feet for the movie, ensuring it looked more dramatic without affecting the vehicle's performance. The Buffalo MRAP is designed to protect its occupants from mines and improvised explosive devices. Its robust design and advanced protection features make it a critical asset for military operations in hazardous environments. Number 7. Nexter Titus. The Titus is an infantry mobility vehicle developed and built by Nexter and Tatra Defense Vehicle. It was developed by Nexter between 2010 and 2012 and first showcased at the DSEI exhibition in 2013, followed by Eurosatori in 2014. In its base version, the Titus costs around €700,000 and occupies a mid-range position in Nexter's product lineup, between the Aravis and the VBCI. This positioning allows Nexter to target emerging markets looking to replace their aging Soviet-era BTR fleets. The Titus made its debut at the IDT exhibition in Brno in May 2015, where it received the Golden IDT Award. Designed to enhance infantry mobility, the Titus offers advanced protection and versatility, making it a valuable asset for modern military forces. Number 8. Lazar. The Lazar is a family of multi-role armored personnel carriers designed and developed by Yugo Import SDPR for various applications and missions. The family includes 3 versions: Lazar 1, Lazar 2, and Lazar 3. These vehicles are produced by Yugo Import SDPR's subsidiary, Borbini Slozini Sistemi, at its facilities in Velika Plana. The Lazar 3, equipped with a 12.7mm machine gun remote weapon station, was first delivered to the Serbian Gendarmerie. Designed to provide enhanced mobility and protection, the Lazar vehicles are suited for a range of military operations, offering versatility and robust performance in various combat scenarios. Number 9. M9 Armored Combat Earthmover. The M9 ACE is a versatile and mobile tracked vehicle used by the United States Marine Corps and the United States Army to provide combat engineer support. Its primary tasks include removing enemy obstacles, maintaining and repairing roads and supply routes, and constructing fighting positions. The M9's development traces back to the Universal Engineer Tractor, which followed the 1958 all-purpose ballistable crawler. The goal was to create a lightweight, small tractor or scraper that could use local materials as ballast, making it light enough for transport in smaller cargo aircraft, airdroppable, and capable of floating and swimming. Initial development involved the Engineer Laboratory at Fort Belvoir, along with International Harvester and Caterpillar. Although the M9 generated significant interest, particularly for potential civilian applications, its progress was hindered after a demonstration mishap where the vehicle sank while attempting to showcase its swimming capability. Number 10. M2 Bradley Fighting Vehicle. The M2 Bradley is a tracked armored fighting vehicle developed by FMC Corporation and currently manufactured by BAE Systems Land and Armaments. Named after U.S. General Omar Bradley, it serves as a crucial asset in the United States military. Designed to transport infantry or scouts with armored protection, the Bradley provides effective covering fire to suppress enemy troops and armored vehicles. Variants include the M2 Bradley Infantry Fighting Vehicle, which accommodates a crew of 3, commander, gunner, and driver, alongside 6 fully equipped soldiers. Additionally, there is the M3 Bradley Reconnaissance Vehicle, optimized for scout missions and capable of carrying 2 scout troopers in addition to its regular crew of 3. The M3 also features space for additional BGM 71 TOW missiles, enhancing its combat capabilities in reconnaissance and support roles. As we conclude our exploration, we hope you've been inspired by the power of these 10 largest military vehicles. From colossal tanks to amphibious giants, these machines demonstrate the pinnacle of engineering prowess in military technology. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and always stay curious.